Goodness, goodness, goodness. It's time to do my hair again. This looks crazy. But I'm so glad that I have my Bask Bloom hair products. They're so hydrating, moisturizing, all natural and defining. Let's go do a new style for the week. And we're off. So here I'm just sectioning my hair off so I can prep it for twists that I'm gonna put in my head. My hair is in 3 parts. So here I'm just saturating my hair with warm water from my spray bottle so that I can detangle each section before twisting. And of course, I'm sharing the love. So guys, visit the Bask Bloom Essentials website for skincare and hair products and use my coupon code for an extra 20% off your order. So for this style, I'm just gonna start off with the Ease Leave-In Conditioner, and I'm gonna apply a little bit to my hand and then apply it to my section that I detangled. After I apply it, I'm gonna work it through the section by using my fingers to detangle while also getting the product through certain parts of my hair. And then I'm gonna follow up with my brush. After that, I'm gonna follow up with my stimulating herbal oil. I'm gonna apply a bit to my hands, rub it together, and apply it to seal in that section before applying the next product. Next, I'm gonna go in with one of my favorite products, the Silky Aloe Curl Pudding. This is so good, and of course it smells good. It's so good for sealing in the moisture. It defines your hair. The consistency is amazing. Look at that. Look, my hair just loves this stuff. Oh my goodness. After I apply those products for that moisture, I'm gonna then go in and add their twirly hair gel for extra hold. It's all natural and it also smells good. I actually do not usually follow up with twist outs with a gel, but I'm taking a chance here and I want to see how it comes out. I've heard someone else do gel with their twist out and I've seen really good results, so let's see. What I did here was separate into 2 sections and I'm slowly beginning to twist tightly as far to the scalp as possible. And as I'm twisting, I'm smoothing each section down with my 2 fingers each time I twirl one around the other so it can be nice and tight. When doing twist outs, you want to make sure that your twists are nice and tight because then that makes more definition. If it's loose, it's gonna look how it sounds, all loose and all over the place, unless you like it like that. But anyway, I'm gonna keep twisting all to the bottom, and then once I reach a certain point, I'm just gonna twirl the ends around my pointer finger. After I finish a twist, I like to twist my fingers going back up the twist and to pack the product in. And then I'm gonna just do it all over again in another section. So here I already applied the leave-in. I'm applying the oil. I'm going to apply the aloe curl pudding and then I'm going to follow up with the gel. You may or may not see that as we go on in the video. Another tip in twisting your hair is making sure your hair is thoroughly detangled before twisting, and if you need to also detangle the bottom of the twist again to make sure that it's not tangled when you take it down, just use a brush or a comb to detangle before you continue on. So on to the next section. I did the bottom row and now I'm separating this second row into 3 parts so I can do 3 twists. I'm doing rather chunky twists because I just like how it looks compared to smaller twists. If you didn't get to check out my detangling video where I show you how I fully detangle my hair when it's old and matted and dry, I will be linking it above and also in the description box. But one thing that I do love is my tangle teaser. Look at that. Oh, look at that bounce back. Yes. As I'm working through this section, I just want you guys to take a look at this moisture from these products. I really do love these products and I really do love working with this brand. I love working for brands where I just truly love using their products and they really work for my kind of hair. As you can see, my hair is thick and very kinky and it's loving the products. I'm not gonna sit here and twist my whole head on camera, so I'm just speeding through the section and then I'm gonna end up back in the front. Once again, guys, I have a coupon code for you to use. And if you use my coupon code, you will get 20% off. And it also supports me as well. I do make a little commission. So I would love if you supported me on my goals with working with brands. And you also benefit off of it and look at the results that you will get. Rise and shine, everybody. Good morning, good morning. My hair is nice and dry and I'm gonna take a little bit oil and just rub it all over the twist before I take it down. And this helps avoid frizz during the takedown. Here you see me modeling how I untwist my hair very carefully and slowly. I don't want to disturb the curl, yes, that curl that you see. So I'm taking my time and I'm making sure I'm going to start to separate where my hair allows me to. So there are certain parts that begin to separate themselves. You don't want to pull at them too much and force any separation. Wanted to know as I'm taking my hair down, y'all, my hair feels so soft, like it made love to those products overnight while I was snoring. And I'm also showing part of my takedown because I know some people want to see how other people struggle with the takedown of twists, especially the more kinkier your hair is. So I thought that I should show it. So here's a little bit before I fast forward. So I took down the twist in the front and I'm just gonna brush my edges back before I put some edge control on them. And then I'm just gonna put it up in a half up, half down style. Yes, y'all see me struggling out here to get my hair up into one central area, and I could not find a scrunchie that was small enough, so this is what I'm using, a rubber band that I found in my room. Please, please, please do not use rubber bands. So the style is done. Do you see what I see? And I'm actually loving it. I never really wear my hair like this, so let's show it off. Ooh, slow motion. So, do you like it? You see it, you see it, hey. You see it, hey. So if you like this style, please give me a like down below. Let me know what you think about this style and these products, and also hit that subscribe button. So I will see you guys later.